Hello everyone, this is Dayanand sir and welcome to my online class. Once again I am present with a new chapter of English literature, chapter number 12, and the title of this chapter is The Little Duckling. This is the first video of this chapter, so I am going to teach you through this video this chapter, The Little Duckling. This is the first part of this chapter, so through this video we will do reading practice of this chapter. Okay, so let's start the reading practice. This is a story about a young bird. A duck, makes, makes, her, nest, nest, under, some, leaves, sits, on, the, eggs, to, keep, them, warm. A duck makes her nest under some leaves. She sits on the eggs to keep them warm. At last, the eggs, break, one, after, the other, other, little, ducks, come, out, only, one, egg, left, it, is a, very, big, one. Only one egg is left. It is a very big. Now come to the next page. At, last, it, breaks, and out, comes, a, big, ugly, duckling. At last it breaks and out comes a big ugly duckling. What? A big, duckling. Says, the, old, duck. He, does, not, look, like, us. If, he, does, not, like, the, water. He is not a duck. What a big duckling, says the old duck. He does not look like us. If he does not like the water, he is not a duck. Next, next, the, next, the next day, the mother, mother, duck, ducks, her, ducklings, to, the, pond. The next day, the mother duck takes her ducklings to the pond. Splash, 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 the, MOTHER mother, DUCK duck is in the water. THEN then SHECCALLS calls the ducklings to come in. Splash, splash, the mother duck is in the water. Then she calls the ducklings to come in. THEY they, ALL all, JUMP jump, IN in, and BEGIN begin to swim. They all jump in and begin to swim. Begin means start करना. The big UGLY ugly, DUCKLING duckling, SWIMS swims, TOO. They all jumps in and begin to swim. The big ugly duckling swims too. THE the, MOTHER mother, DUCK duck, SAYS says, HE IS is, MY my, OWN on, LITTLE little, DUCK duck, he is my own little duck. He will not be so ugly when he is BIGGER bigger. ALL all, the ANIMALS animals, LAUGH laugh at the little duckling. At all the animals laugh at the little duckling. The POOR poor, DUCKLING duckling is VERY very, SAD said. The poor duckling is very sad. So he RUNS runs, AWAY away. He runs away. He SEES sees a big pond, big pond. He says, I will have a good swim. I will have a good swim. But all the animals, THERE there, LAUGH laugh, at him. But all the animals there laugh at him. He HIDES hides in the BUSHES bushes. He hides in the bushes. THE the, SUMMER summer, GOES goes, BY by. THEN then, the LEAVES leaves, FALL fall, and IT it is very, COLD cold. At last it is spring, SPRING spring. The birds, BIRDS birds, SING sing. The duckling is big now. One day he FLIES flies, far AWAY away. One day he flies far away. SOON soon, he SEES sees, THREE 3, WHIT white, SWANS swans in the lake. Soon he sees 3 white swans in the lake. He SAYS says, THEY they are so beautiful. WILL will, THEY they, LAUGH laugh at me. Will they laugh at me? He PUTS puts his HEAD head, DOWN down, TO2 the water. WHAT what DOES does he see? He sees HIMSELF himself in the water. beauty, but he is not an ugly duck. He is a beautiful white swan. The other swans comes to see him. Now come to the next page. The children say, "Oh, see the lovely, lovely swans." The children say, "Oh, see the lovely swans." The last one is the best, and they give him bread and cake. The little duckling is happy, and the writer of this story is Hans Christian Andersen. So this is a reading practice of this chapter. All of you will also read this chapter first. Thank you.